Hello, New School Belial here, and today I'm doing a battle between Dynamite, Belial, fully awakened, not fully awakened, but perfect form, and Devil Belial, fully awakened type of deal. So yeah, I just got this one in today, so yeah. Oh gosh, that was stuff from last video or video I was recording now. I haven't uploaded yet. So yeah. Best of 5. I know, yeah, probably best of 5. One zero. That's a relaunch out. Two zero. Ow. Oh, geez. Two. No, 2-1. Oh god. 2-2 now. Okay, 3-2. Yeah, I'm gonna do best of 5 for this. Okay, 4-2. And here's your winner. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.